In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage groups in Smartsheet so you can share sheets, reports, and workspaces with multiple users more efficiently. First, sign in to your Smartsheet account and open the Admin Center. Keep in mind that only system admins or designated group admins can create and manage groups. Next, navigate to Groups and click Create Group. Enter a clear name for your group, such as Marketing Team, Project Managers, or Finance Department. After naming the group, add members by entering their email addresses. You can add multiple users at once to save time. If needed, assign a group admin who can help manage membership and maintain the group. Once the group is created, you can manage it at any time by opening the group and selecting Add Members or Remove Members as your team changes. You can also edit the group name if its purpose changes, or delete the group if it is no longer needed. Groups become especially useful when sharing Smartsheet items. Instead of entering individual email addresses, simply select the group when sharing a sheet, report, dashboard, or workspace. Choose the appropriate permission level such as viewer, editor, or admin, and all members of the group will automatically receive that access. Any new users added to the group later will inherit the same permissions, making collaboration easier and more consistent. That's it. You've successfully learned how to manage groups in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.